What you're paying for at the end of the day is that little logo there on the sleeve. So today we're going to compare two jackets. One costs £60, one costs £850. And I'm going to go through the points and let you know whether it's actually worth it to spend £850 on a jacket. So let's get into it. A little bit different than usual, but it's good to mix it up, isn't it? Right, so I've got a Moncler jacket, this like black edition. It is real, it is genuine. It's a navy, a size large, £850. And as you can see, like, it fits perfect. It's very, very comfortable, very padded, very high quality material. You'd expect that for £850, wouldn't you? But is it worth spending this amount of money on a jacket, or should you just go with the cheaper option? So it's got very nice detailing. Like, it's got the branding on the zips, inner pockets. Like, you can tell it's really well made. Obviously Moncler is quite a big brand now. Moncler, they do like big puffer jackets with hoods as well, and it is a nice brand. Like, people, even if they've not got the money, will go out and spend £850 on a jacket just because, I don't know, it's kind of the rep it gives you, doesn't it? It kind of gives you that street cred. Like Moncler and Canada Goose, they're the two main jacket companies where I see people repping a lot. To be fair, I do really like this jacket. Like, it's dead smart, dead comfortable, it's going to keep you warm, and it's going to match with a lot of outfits. Like this navy blue colour. I told you before, navy's one of my favourite colours, and look at it. But at the end of the day, this was £850. Imagine how many other coats you can get for £850. What you're paying for at the end of the day is that little logo there on the sleeve. That's what you're paying for. So you need to think to yourself, is it worth me spending like a month's wage or half a month's wage on one jacket? Personally, if you're a young guy and you don't have the money, why buy one? Why? I don't know why you'd get one. You don't need to buy one just to get street cred or just to impress your friends or to impress people if you don't have the money. But that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think below. What we're going to compare it with is my Pull&Bear jacket, which I got a few weeks ago. It's got a hood, it's a little bit different, but it's a similar comparison, similar material. So I'll try that on. Right, so this is from Pull&Bear. It was £60, and yes, it's a little bit of a different style. Like, it's got a hood, but it's still the puffer material in khaki. I really do like this colour as well. Navy's nice, but I do like this colour. Bit of variety. As you can see, like from the insides, it's not as well like designed. It's not as high quality, and it's not going to be, because at the end of the day, it's £60. So you have to bear that in mind. Like, it's got the Pull&Bear logo on the sleeve there, it's got a zip. It's not as well put together as the Moncler jacket. Like, Pull&Bear isn't a high-end brand, but what you have to then consider is, this was £60, that was £850. So you could get, let's work out the maths, you could get like 14 of these jackets and it would come to the same cost. So, in my opinion, if you're a young guy, what my channel is about is getting stylish, fashionable, whilst it's still being affordable. So Moncler doesn't really fit in with that. Like, I love the brand and I love the quality of the products and how nice they are, but I'm not going to buy one just to impress people or just to go out of my way and think, just to act as if I've got the money if I don't have the money. Do you know what I mean? I'd rather just get a coat that looks nice, is comfy, is warm, looks just as good, but is a fraction of the price. So I just thought I'd do a video like this, just talking to you about you don't need to spend so much money on clothes to look good. Like, you actually don't. Like, this was £60. There's plenty more other brands out there like Zara, ASOS, where you can get jackets that are just as good as this for the price 50, 60, 70, 80 pounds. So if you are looking for a jacket, save your money, spend that 600, 700 quid on a holiday, go and create some memories and experiences, and wear a Pull&Bear coat, wear a cheaper coat. You haven't got anything to prove, but if you do have a good amount of money, you're a well-off guy, and you're doing really well, why not go and get the Moncler jacket? Why not? It's high-end, it is a nice quality garment. So yeah, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link this jacket in the description. I won't link the other one. Well, I will, you can have a look at it if you want, but yeah, if you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you in a bit, guys.
I knew just what it had to be when I heard you say what you said to me. Do every dude inside. Look like you're working up an appetite for the night. Check it. By then I just sat at the back.